Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to set a savings goal in YNAB. All right. So first up, what you need to do is just go ahead and go to your budget or plan. Okay. And here, you could either make a new category or select from one of your pre-existing categories right here. For example, we have want. Okay. Click on the drop down and here we have dining out, entertainment, hobbies, holidays and gifts, decor, you name it, travel as well. So let's say I'm going to go ahead and select travel. Okay, click on travel. Now in the right panel, you have the target section. Okay, click on create a target. Should you be chasing weekly targets, monthly or yearly, or even custom? Okay, let's say weekly. Now I need $100 per week every Saturday or Friday, Monday, Tuesday. It's up to you. Okay, I need 100. And next month, I want to set aside another 100 or refill up to 100 per week, okay? Or set aside another 100 per week for next month. And once that's done, you should be good to go. Just click on Save Target. And here we have it. All you need to do is just assign for this current month. Okay, here we have December. I'm just going to go ahead and assign 300 for this month. So the only focus will be next month. Okay. So we'll move to next month right here. You'll do the same. Assign something. Okay. Assign. There you go. Now you have 800 available. Let's say you wanted to travel and use the 800 right here. Well, you could just go ahead over to one of your accounts. Let's say under your savings and here add in a transaction. Let's say next month for January, you have the pay right here. Add in. Let's say I'm just going to go ahead and add in a travel category, select travel. Okay. Outflow, maybe 500. Hit on enter. And there you have it. When you go back to your plan, you should be able to see right here under your travels that you're still good to go. Still have the available balance right here, which is 300. Okay. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.